Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very different video for my main channel. I am moving pretty soon. We're not moving really far, we're just moving to a bigger place because the baby is coming. So I've been organizing everything from like my house, my life, my mind space, literally you name it. I have been organizing. I've been like on an organizing kick lately. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my beauty room. I want to just organize everything from my makeup to my hair products to anything that is inside that room, from my equipment, my camera, all that good stuff. So I'm actually gonna bring you guys along with me to the Container Store. I'm like sitting outside. Jose actually went to the Apple store. So I was like, okay, you go fix your phone. I'm gonna go pick up some containers and some organizers. I get all of my organizers from the Container Store, but I wanna get like really big bins so that I can put everything that I'm donating, everything that I'm giving to my sisters, and everything that I will be keeping and bring into the new place. So in my new beauty room, you guys, I'm so excited because I custom made this entire closet from IKEA. So it's going to be built in when we move in, and it is absolutely perfect, and it's going to help me stay organized. It's going to help me like keep all my makeup in place and separate everything. And that's exactly what I need, because I don't know if you guys follow me on my stories or Snapchat, but like everything is a mess in my beauty room. I barely show it here on my main channel, and that's because literally to go in that room, all I do is film and put my makeup in there. And I want to be able to go in there, feel inspired, and have everything in place. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing a lot of cleaning. I know I look a little bit put together, but once we get home, this girl is changing into leggings and t-shirt, and we actually had a lot to do this morning. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take the afternoon and go to the Container Store and get it done. So let's actually go into the store, because I've been sitting in the car for a few minutes. We just had Chipotle and I was like, okay, I need to like sit, because I can't like go walk around right after eating. Especially being pregnant, you just like kind of want to like, you know, relax for a second and then do whatever you have to do. So I'm actually gonna bring my sweater because I'm gonna be there for I'm not planning to like spend the day there, but I'm probably gonna be there for like an hour. Jose was like, don't go crazy shopping in there, and I was like, I can't promise, okay? Okay, let's go into the store. So this is what I use right now to organize my makeup. This is actually for like shoes, but it also includes like dividers that you can separate like all the products. But this is actually a really good option if you want to organize your makeup at home. And it comes in different sizes, I believe. Yeah, this is exactly the one that I have, and like I labeled everything and I bought the dividers. It's a really good idea to like organize your stuff, but for me, since I have so much, I need something that's a little bit bigger and a better separated. But yeah, this is a really good option, and I think it's on sale for like 11 bucks. I just finished working on some videos, so now I'm going to spend the rest of my day cleaning and organizing this room. You guys, you're not ready to see the mess that I have, but you'll get a glimpse of what it's like and how much space I'm working with. I'm really excited for the new place. It's not much bigger than this one, but I'm having that closet custom made, like I said, so it's gonna completely change everything in the room and how I organize and how I film, all that good stuff. So let me just turn the camera around and show you. This is what I'm working with. So that right there is my current makeup storage section. And then over here, I have more storage. This is the background that you guys see in some videos. This is my filming section right here. So I have all of my lights. I also use backdrops sometimes for like sponsored videos, or like videos that I'm doing that I want a really nice clean background. So this I'm gonna put away in just a bit. I wanted to give you guys an overview of everything. This is my filming table. It's literally packed with so much stuff. Like I can't even like walk in here. This is how tight it is. And then I also have these two things right here, which I was using, and then honestly I just don't know what happened, and now there's just like a mixture of like stuff I use daily, new things, hair stuff. It's like It's a mess. We need to get it together. And then walking over here, I have another Alex drawer, which is full of makeup that I'm gonna go through today. And then up here, I tried my best to be organized with these baskets, but they just made no sense in this room because I don't really have a place to put them. And then over here in the little shelves that I have these little baskets where I put like all my lashes, skincare, new makeup. So I also want to go through that. And then this is what it looks like from this angle. So as you can tell, I don't really have much space. I do have these two closets right here. On the left side, I have all of my designer stuff. And then on the right side, I have hello I have all of my equipment, and I also have like my bigger coat. So I brought in the organizers to the room. I bought 3. So one is going to be donation, another one is going to be for my sister, and then the other one is going to be stuff that I'm going to keep. So the first thing that we're going to do is put away the lights so that we'll have a little bit more space to work with. And I already finished my filming for the day, so this can all go down. Usually when I'm not filming, to be honest with you guys, it is just so much work to like put all the equipment away. So it just makes more sense for me to have everything out. That way I can just sit down and film, and I can be consistent with like my background and where everything is. So for now, we're gonna move all of this out of the bedroom. Here I have most of my foundations, so I'm going to start taking them out and I'm going to start putting them in the containers. I have some up here, some in the drawers, some in my makeup table, so I just want all of it to be in one place. You guys, I did end up decluttering my foundation, my concealers, literally all of my makeup towards the end of 2018. So I literally kept like 5 or 6 foundations. So this is like new stuff that I've been piling up for this year. So I'm gonna have to go through it again and decide what's staying and what's going. These little baskets right here just have lashes and some new PR products. So I'm gonna just take them out and start separating. Some of them are like even half empty. Oh my god, these are like all my setting sprays. Okay, this I'm definitely bringing with me. These are my makeup bags. More makeup bags. Hair. Okay, hair we're gonna separate and put over here so that I can decide what I want to bring with me. It is now the following day. We are completely done. Jose had to come in here and help me. I could not have done this by myself because let me tell you, it was very overwhelming. So as you can tell, I don't have the Alex drawers anymore. These are all of my filming equipment. This is my filming table. In this Alex drawer, I have all of my palettes. This is just extra stuff. And then this is where we organized all of the makeup that I'm bringing along to the new place. So over here, I have my nail stuff. This is skincare just from the bedroom. I still have to go through the 2 bathrooms here in the house. I also have all of my hair tools, my brushes, anything that belongs to hair is here. These are setting sprays. Over there we have foundations and primers. Over there in the corner, that's like my favorite one. That's all lashes. This is the stuff that I'm giving to my sisters. And then over here I have powders and all of my concealers. And then when we go over here to the closet, we have like the smaller products. So I have like all my lipsticks, glitter, eyeliners, some palettes, just like a lot of random things. So I am bringing this along just so that I can transfer it into the new closet. But everything is nice and organized, you guys. I cannot believe that we did it. The next video that you're going to see in regards to organizing is me putting everything in the new beauty room. So I'm so excited for you guys to see it. The next few videos I might film like in this corner right here, which is a little crazy, or I might even use some backdrops. I did buy some new colors that I'm really excited about, like spring and summer colors. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys are excited for the new place, the new beauty space, and just more organizing videos. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one very soon. I'm out of breath. I'm just like, I just had mac and cheese and it was a bomb diggity. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.